The work with the IKEA Foundation is real, it's profound, and it's been going on for a long time. And it has a quite big impact as well. And as a matter of fact, I think everybody working in IKEA and Inca is connected and has the right to know about it.
IKEA Foundation Week is coming up, and you will see a lot of inspiration and actions.
I was blown away by the amazing job that they do across the globe to support many
IKEA Foundation. We are public how
explore the world dialect.
We can feel proud and have the awareness of what's going on.
Next of the IKEA Foundation Week as well. Your support means a lot to all of us.
It's just key that all the co-workers at IKEA know about the work we do through the foundation, know about the impact it has on thousands of people, and can feel proud about that.